Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2007 Shelby GT Coupe. Performance white, silver stripes. Of course, the 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. 5-speed manual transmission. Now these are the ones that are modified by Shelby and do carry their sequential number. And we'll get to that in just a bit. First, take a look at the front. Billet grill on this. The Shelby scoop. And hood pins. You can see that white paint has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk. Car from every angle, and that can be done at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct polished wheels, Kumo radials. Those tires are date coded 2021, and they have plenty of tread left. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see that also. We'll get into some of the modifications done at Shelby. There's a horsepower bump by a tune. Also lowering spring, so it's going to have a little bit different stance than a regular GT, as well as sway bars, strut tower brace. You can see up and down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. And again, that white paint has a nice shine to it. Again, the dark charcoal interior, bucket seat, center console, Hurst shifter. This one happens to have a Clarion aftermarket stereo added. And as you can see, those panels are nice and straight. Technician noted the brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Previous owner also left the car cover that will go along with this car, and it is a newer car cover. It also has the stow and show, or show and stow plate, forget which way they say it, and that can be removed and attached back underneath that front fascia, so there is no holes that have been drilled. Screws into that front bumper. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, over 100 pictures of this car online. Does have axle back Flowmaster exhaust also. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We obviously get every model year in, and a multitude of stock, modified, specialty, a little bit of everything. So go ahead and do that. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in the videos are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, driver's side also in extremely nice shape. Be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Lot of just strictly Mustang shows out there, no doubt about it. Have some fun. Take some of those in. Door panels intact, inserts looking good. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, leather buckets. Not much wear at all. The bolster or any of the seats. Also in nice shape. Clean Carfax, actual mile car, showing 31,773 right now. And let's go ahead and check that out. Make sure I have the key. All right, there's the exact miles, 31,773.6. And as you can see, no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauges are working. Nice sounding exhaust, nothing over the top too crazy, but a nice deep throaty exhaust note. And there it is, Shelby sequence number 420. Clarion aftermarket stereo system. Of course, AC is working, as well as the stereo system. There's that 5-speed with the Hurst shifter. All right. Nice throttle response. Headliner looking good. Back seats are like new. You'll be able to check those out in the still pictures, see what I'm talking about. There it is. Take a listen to those Flowmasters. You'll also note no rear wing. Shelby GT trait. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood pop. We'll check out that engine bay, and then again, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, you can see the hood liners nice and clean and tidy. Thing has not been driven in inclement weather. A few more of the Shelby modifications. They put the Ford Racing cold air intake on there, as well as a little different throttle body. There's that strut tower brace. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. There is a pigtail for a battery tender already installed. There you go, well taken care of. Clean Carfax. Low mile car for 07. Shelby GT, Performance White. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang. This one with the Shelby insignia on the dash. A 5-speed manual transmission, looking good in white and silver. This was a good era for Mustangs, honestly, in my opinion. They handled pretty good. Get used to that solid axle rear end, which I am used to. And we're in 5th. Stereo sounds good in this car. Touchscreen from Clarion for a stereo. Our gauges are working. The fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature is about 1/3 of the way up. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Very nice low mile Mustang. All black interior, which I also enjoy. Perfect size shifter. A short throw, in my opinion, which makes it even easier and more fun to shift. The clutch feels good. Very responsive in the throttle. And as they should, corners nice and flat. I was pushing it a little bit in the corner and it didn't lean at all, in my opinion. Sounds good. Drives very nicely. AC blows cold. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.